Hey drip droppers, Jane here. Do you struggle with trying to tape off your pieces before you actually get to work on them? It's the part I hate the most. But I found a simple way that I can tape things off and it works really good, and I've been able to do it on almost everything. So here we go. So I'm going to be making a tray table. So I've already worked on it because I forgot to tape it off, which is what I hate the most. But we're just going to tape it off because I really want to do the rest to it. So simple way I've found involves press and seal. This has not failed me yet. It has worked so good. All I do is take some of my press and seal, throw it on here. So I will usually just do it like this. Start on this side, put it out. So simple. I usually leave enough room up here for the tape. And you know, it's a little weird to work with, but oh, who cares? It's still so much easier. Okay, let's try again. I just kind of get it down here, work my way around like this. And then I'll put one more. Oops, went a little long there, but oh well. All right, so just right there. I don't even care if it kind of bubbles up. That doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect. When it gets over to this side, I just fold it back like this. That's all. All right, so it's folded back. Then I take my tape, go down it. I've used too much tape, I'm sure. But I'm just making sure I'm kind of going over this edge, and I'm making sure to get this part of the press and seal in there good. Okay, and then here's another piece. I want to get to the fun part, which is actually the creation of things. I hate this part the most, okay? And I go through a lot of tape because I'm not really that careful. I do try to make sure you've got it kind of burnished around here, where I just kind of do this to it. Okay, get a little more. And see how I'm making sure to get over the press and seal. Just like that. And a couple more here. Let me make sure we got them all on there. And don't worry if your press and seal is folded like that. Just get it under there. Just make sure it's nice and tight around here. And then the next part I do, I just get some kind of a X-Acto knife or one of these, and I just drag it carefully. Now you have to be really careful when you do this, because you just want to catch this line. If you have to saw it, you're doing something wrong. If you have to sit there and saw away at it, you might be cutting your piece. So I just kind of zoom along like this. Once you kind of get a little tension on it, you can just work it. I'm just going along with the side here. I might have to come back and fix something up if I didn't get it right, but basically, let's get over here so you can see it better. All right, so just like that. When it's working well, it just slides right down like that. And that is it. Let's keep going, finish it off here. You don't want to saw on your piece, so just be careful there. If you get a little piece like this, I'll just take scissors, or I'll take a little easier knife. There we go, so you can just see it just cuts along. And you've got the idea, I think. But what happens when you're doing your work is, first of all, this protects all the rest of it so nicely. It stays nice and flat when you're trying to work on it and level it. It's just fantastic. You get the idea. Hope you enjoyed this. See you later. Subscribe for more tools, tips and tools like this. Thanks. Bye.